to drown. Beautiful, but it's crazy. At night when the world goes quiet and I'm dreaming, laying right there next to you, I can see it. I'm 99, you're still fine wine. We live out on some countryside. The kids got kids running around.